Hello students, so today we are going to discuss about the availability of other food grains. So availability of other food grains is nothing but rather than the rice and wheat, what are the other food items which are available for us? So like we have discussed in previous class, right, what are the availability of food grains per year and per a person? So how much quantity of food is available for them and how to calculate it we have discussed already. So now we will see that other than that rice and wheat, what are the other food items which are available for us? Is that sufficient for the people or not? So it is said that there is a change in consumption pattern with people demanding more fruits, vegetables, milk, meat, poultry and fishes. So now the people are preferring not only the rice and wheat, but now the people, because the consumption, the people whatever they are consuming, that has changed now because people are demanding other items rather than the rice and wheat, right? We also prefer, because daily if we eat the same thing, the rice and wheat, it is not now the people's view has changed, the minds has changed. So not everyone are eating regularly rice and wheat, but with the rice and wheat they will also prefer what, they'll also prefer like fruits, vegetables. So the consumption pattern has changed here. So here the people are demanding more fruits and vegetables like milk, meat, fisheries, poultry, all this. So this is a good sign for the consumers as well as producers also. So this consumption pattern, it is very good sign for whom? For the consumers also and as well as the producers also. And the consumers need a diverse food basket and a balanced diet. The farmers producing food grains can go for crop diversification in order to increase their incomes. So this the consumption pattern, it has changed. So the people who are there, the consumers who are consuming, who are there they need what, the balanced diet they need, because of now everybody is taking caring of their health. So the balanced diet it is need. So the farmers are which are producing the food grains, they can go for the crop diversification in order to what, in order to increase their incomes. So if we see, you can recall that what you have read in the earlier classes that about the conversion of food grain fields into cash crops such as like cotton in Telangana during the last 2 decades. So in agriculture, it has changed that convert whatever the food grains they are producing, food grains fields are there in the agriculture, that fields are changing into the cash cash crops. Cash crops is nothing but like cotton. So in Telangana, if you see in the last 2 decades, this is happening. So because of this thing, what happening? This is also a main reason for the farmers that they are taking lot of stress on them, and they are suicide, they are many suicides are happening because of this reason. So the farmers can instead pay attention to allied activities such as poultry, fishing and dairy, since they provide new opportunities for the farmers. So overall, if we see, for not only the rice and wheat, we have seen that there is an increase in production of other food items also. If we see last over the years, so other food items also, there is a lot of increase in production. It is not sufficient to meet the minimum dietary requirement. It means there will be a diet, no, for in urban areas, in rural areas. Like if we take in urban area because they have lot of work in the urban areas, so they need some amount of calories per day definitely, but the people are not eating that much of calories, that's why they will get the health problems. So here so whatever the other food items they are producing, they are not sufficient to meet the even minimum requirements also. So whoever the nutritionists are there, they are suggesting that every person in our India, they should eat 300 grams of vegetables and 100 grams of fruits in a day. So what are the nutrition doctors are suggesting to the people? For each person in our India, each person he have to eat 300 grams of vegetables and 100 grams of fruits in each day. So whereas if we see per person availability of these food materials is 180 and 500 grams respectively. So how much they have said? 300 grams of vegetables, but here the availability is only 180. And coming to the fruits, 100 grams of each person should eat 100 grams of fruits, but here there is a availability of only 58 grams. Similarly, in the same way, a person should eat 180 eggs, but they are only 30 eggs are there. And coming to the meat, if it is 11 kilograms per year, then per person it is available only 3.2 kilograms, and we require 300 liters of milk, but it is only available to 210 per day. This is around all the persons. So if we see the compare total, once again if we see the vegetables, a person, if it is 300, then it available is only 180. Coming to the fruits, if it is 100, then only 58. Coming to the eggs, if it is 180, then it is 30 only. So in this way the availability is less. There is no sufficient other food grain items also available for the persons. So farmers, they require support in terms of inputs and market opportunities for diversification to the other food items also. So to increase the sufficient food to all the people, the farmers also need support, as like what they should get a good inputs to increase their production, and they need good opportunities in the market to increase their other food items also. And the farmers may have to be supported and guarded against the market risk that they face in the new situation. So the farmers also have to supported by whom? They also have to get the support, and they have to get the guard against the market, whatever the risk they will get to the markets. So they have to get guard against the markets which are risk they are facing in the new situations. Agriculture diversification. So here is an example. The Midnapur has, it is a village, it has a very red laterite soil. So this village was Kaspal in the Borkola Gram Panchayat area. So this village is in the area of this area. So almost in that area, all the families have tube wells in their fields, and for them the banks also given loans credit to them to increase their irrigation facilities like water development. So what he is saying, I talked to the Hari Prasad Samanta and Chitto Mighty and Jat Lenka. It means these are the farmers' name. So nobody farms more than 2 acres. So almost all these three farmers, they will farms only 2 acres or less than that, but not more than 2 acres. They will not farm. The technology is good for them. All the facilities are also good, and to keep the seeds, the original seeds are coming from the university. Although there is a little replacement in paddy. So for these farmers, for seeds also getting from the university, that also the original seeds they are getting, but then also they'll make more money from cash crops only. And it is vegetables all the way, or they'll produce vegetables also, but they'll get more money from the cash crops. Cash crops is nothing but like example cotton. So the vegetables like the potatoes, there were craze at the time, they used to produce most of the potatoes also. So the seeds come from the commercial companies, so that's why they are very expensive. A great thing that happened on the way was what? The dairying. Almost all the farmers nowadays, they are maintaining a dairy. So almost all of three of them, they have 3 to 5 cows with them. So the women flock look after them. It means the women will look after to that cows, it will take care of that. And this is now spreading day by day, that dairy is becoming very famous. So the farmers know the best pulses seed which comes from the Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, and their own mustard is also very good. So coming to the other, the lands, how the land is there, the land is sloped from the river. It is completely a downside from the river, the slope from the river. So about 2 to 300 meters upside of the distance, a person have, he have checked that from that place he can see other village. So other village is looking, around half of the population is poor in that village, and it is a monocrop region with the second crop. So that is how is that region, all the peoples who live there, they are completely poor people only. And how is their region, there are completely monocrops regions with the second crop is nothing but, first of all they'll do the agriculture with one crop, and after that they'll burn the land, and again the second crop they will grow in the next year. So here, if any and also they are always depending on the rains only, and at that areas the yields also very low. So many answers are possible, but without a plan, it means there are areas which are there, there are the poor areas. So if we do hard work in work that areas, it can be developed, but without a plan of the government, or without the effort of the government, it is very joke to talk about the